Racing just started. We have Karma break weekly to start. Moving up for the outside, El Indio. Power over. Then comes Ilocos Friday in the middle portion. Trojan Knight. Then comes My Treasure. And on the outside, pass forward. Money Bunk is down on the inside. Real Excellent comes next. Bonjour live in Manila, sailing away while Tukmo is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader, and as they swing down the back we have El Indio by about half length, and on the outside second Karma, 5 lengths further back in third comes Pass Forward. Next on line is My Treasure. Money Bank now moving up to take fourth. Power Over comes next. Ilocos Pride live in Manila. Bonjour Real Excellent. Trojan Knight sailing away while Tukmo now racing in 13th. Inside the 3 octavo, El Indio by about half length. Then moving up for the outside, Karma, watch out! Then here comes entry number 7, and this one is Money Bank. We have Money Bank now takes command. Down on the inside, El Indio, Karma in the middle portion as they swing forward. Money Bank, Karma in the middle, El Indio is down on the inside. We're about 100 meters up the race. We have Money Bank, Karma is running by the rail. Money Bank by the lane, followed by Karma in second, and finally it's Money Bank, Karma, third close, El Indio. My Treasure, Bonjour, then comes live in Manila.
7-4 din. 40, yung forecast na 7-4.
Ganda pa rin, ano?
Oo, 40.